Your parents loved you. They worked hard for you. They sacrificed everything they had for you. But there are 7 things about money and wealth that they never taught you. Not because they did not care, but because nobody ever taught them either. Today, that cycle ends. These are the 7 wealth secrets that could have changed everything. And starting today, they will. Welcome back to African Wealth Code, where we teach everyday Africans how to build real wealth from nothing. If you are new here, subscribe right now, because every Friday we bring you the financial knowledge that schools and families never gave us. The first secret is that money without a plan vanishes. Every single time. Most Ghanaian homes never discussed budgeting. Money came in and money went out and nobody tracked where it went. This is not a character flaw, it is simply a missing skill. Wealthy people give every CD a job before it arrives. They decide in advance, this amount goes to food, this amount goes to savings, this amount goes to investment. When money has direction, it builds. When money has no direction, it disappears and you wonder where it went. Start today, write down your income and your expenses, give every seed eye a purpose. This one habit alone separates people who build wealth from people who always feel broke despite earning money. We were taught to save your money, keep it safe, do not spend unnecessarily, and saving is important, do not misunderstand me, but saving alone will never make you wealthy. Money sitting in an account is actually losing value every year because of inflation. The prices of everything rise, but your savings stays the same number. Wealthy people do not just save, they invest, they put their money into things that grow. Land, business, stocks, assets that increase in value over time. Saving is the foundation. Investing is how you build the house on top of it. There is a saying that your network is your net worth. Growing up, most of us were never taught to deliberately build relationships with successful people. But every major opportunity in life, every business deal, every job, every investment tip, every partnership comes through people, through relationships. Wealthy people surround themselves intentionally with other people who are building, growing, and thinking bigger. They attend events, they join communities, they invest in relationships. Look at your 5 closest friends right now. Are they building something? Are they growing? Are they thinking about wealth in the future? Because whether you like it or not, you are becoming the average of those 5 people. This does not mean abandon your friends. It means deliberately add new relationships with people who are where you want to be. In many African homes, one income was considered enough. Father works, mother manages the home. One salary feeds the family, but one stream of income means 1 point of failure. If that job disappears, everything disappears. Wealthy people never rely on one source of income. They build multiple streams, a job, a small business, a rental property, and online income. Each stream adds to the others. You do not need to build all of them at once. Start with one additional stream alongside whatever you currently have. Then add another. Over time, your income becomes a river fed by many tributaries, strong, consistent, and unstoppable. The most valuable asset you will ever own is not land. It is not a business. It is not money in the bank. It is your mind. Every skill you learn increases your earning potential. Every book you read expands your thinking. Every course, every mentor, every piece of knowledge you acquire compounds over your entire lifetime. Wealthy people invest heavily in their own development. They read consistently. They learn from people ahead of them. They upgrade their skills constantly. You have access to the internet. You have access to YouTube, to podcasts, to free knowledge that previous generations could only dream of. Use it deliberately every single day. We were taught that debt is bad. Avoid owing anyone anything. Stay away from loans. And consumer debt, borrowing to buy clothes, phones, and things that lose value, that kind of debt is indeed dangerous. But there is another kind of debt that wealthy people use deliberately. Productive debt, borrowing to buy land that appreciates, borrowing to start a business that generates income, borrowing to acquire an asset that pays you back more than the loan costs. The wealthy understand that not all debt is equal. They avoid debt that funds lifestyle. They carefully use debt that builds assets. Learn the difference and you will see money completely differently. The final secret is the hardest one for most people to accept. Building real wealth takes time. There is no shortcut. There is no overnight success story that did not have years of unseen work behind it. We live in a generation obsessed with fast results, fast money, fast success. And this impatience causes people to make desperate financial decisions, chasing get-rich-quick schemes, gambling their savings, jumping from idea to idea without ever building anything solid. Wealthy people plant trees knowing they will not sit in the shade immediately. They start businesses knowing the first year will be hard. They invest knowing the return comes years later. Patience combined with consistent action is the most powerful wealth-building combination that exists, and it is completely free. 7 secrets, none of them complicated, all of them powerful, and not one of them taught in any African school or in most African homes. Give every CD direction, invest, don't just save, build your network deliberately, create multiple income streams, invest in yourself constantly, understand debt, and above all, be patient while staying consistent. These are not theories. These are the actual principles that ordinary Africans have used to build extraordinary lives. Share this video with someone who needs these 7 secrets today. Subscribe to African Wealth Code for more every Friday. And remember, wealth is not luck. It is a code. And today you just learned another piece of it. See you next Friday.